GK Kids.
The Flute Player. In a village alley lived a little boy named Birju. His parents worked as laborers in the fields, barely managing to make ends meet. One day, Birju was playing near his house when he heard the sound of a flute. Birju, Kishan, where is this flute music coming from? Kishan, oh, that must be the flute player. He comes to the village to sell flutes every couple of days. Birju quickly runs towards the direction of the sound. Kishan, hey, leaving the game midway, where are you rushing off to? Are you afraid of losing? Birju, I can never lose, wait, I'll be right back. On the other end of the alley, Birju spots the flute player. He had several flutes tied on top of each other, some played from the front, some from the side. Birju, how much does a flute cost? A young man, with beautiful eyes, smiles and looks at Birju. Flute player, the one in front costs 1 rupee, and the one that plays from the side costs 2 rupees. Birju, oh, but I only have 50 paisa. Flute player, that's okay. Take a flute now and pay the rest tomorrow. Birju, alright, brother, give me the one that plays from the front. The flute player hands Birju a beautiful flute. Birju, but how do I play it? Flute player, it will cost you an extra rupee for that. Birju tries to blow into the flute but doesn't produce a good sound. Meanwhile, the flute player plays a beautiful tune on his flute. Birju, brother, I think you gave me a faulty flute. It's not playing properly. The flute player takes the flute back, washes it with water, and starts playing it beautifully. Then he hands it back to Birju and says, Flute player, the flute is fine. You just don't know how to play it. Birju, please teach me. What harm will it do to you? I'll teach my friends, and they will also buy flutes. Flute player, alright, but there's a condition. The flute you took costs 2 rupees, and the one that plays from the side costs 3 rupees. I'll teach you for free, but there should be some benefit for me. The flute player starts teaching Birju how to play the flute. After 10 days, Birju learns to play the flute well. One day, Birju's father comes home and tells him, Father, son, I've enrolled you in school. You'll start going to school from tomorrow. Birju starts going to school the next day. Sometimes, he would see the flute player at the school gate. Birju shows his friends how to play the flute and tells them to buy flutes from the flute player and then he'll teach them. Many children in the school buy flutes. Birju teaches some of them, and the flute player teaches others. Slowly, as Birju studies in school, he grows up. One day, Birju comes home and says, Birju, father, I've got a scholarship. Now I'll go to the city and study in college. Birju gets admitted to medical college. He works hard to become a doctor. One day he becomes a doctor. He is very happy that day. But there is no one at home to share his happiness with. He quickly goes to his hostel and starts playing his flute there. Whenever he remembers the village, he starts playing the flute. Later on, he comes back to the village. His parents had become very old. Birju, after getting a job, I'll bring you both to the city. You don't need to work anymore. After meeting his parents, Birju meets his friends. Birju, has the flute player come? I want to meet him. Kishan, no, he hasn't been here for many years. I don't know where he is. Birju, do you have any contact information for him? Kishan and the other friends refuse. Birju becomes very sad. He had developed a bond of love with the flute player. A few days later, Birju starts working in the city. He goes to the flute player's place with the remaining 50 paisa. The flute player starts teaching Birju how to play the flute. After 10 days, Birju learns to play the flute well. One day Birju's father brings a man home who had fainted. Birju, what happened to him? Son, I don't know. Last night he was not feeling well. Birju checks him and asks for some tests and x-rays. After receiving all the reports, Birju goes to him. Birju, uncle, you have symptoms of TB. Do you consume any drugs? Uncle, no, son. Birju, okay, rest now. You'll get a week's leave and then start taking medicine on time. You'll be fine in a year. But don't be careless. Uncle, can I play the flute? Birju, your lungs are very weak. How can you play the flute? As Birju says this, he stops. He looks closely and realizes it's the flute player. Birju, oh, it's you. Flute player, doctor, do you remember me? Birju, I forgot. You taught me the flute for free. I'm Birju. Tears roll down the flute player's eyes. Birju, don't worry, you'll be fine. I think playing the flute so much has weakened your lungs. The flute player is very happy to meet Birju. He starts getting treatment in the hospital. One day Birju is at home. Suddenly the phone rings. Birju goes to the hospital and sees that the flute player has passed away. He had his flute in his hand. Birju, who gave him the flute? Son, Dr. Sahab insisted a lot. He said nothing will happen. Birju Bhaiya will save him. Tears roll down Birju's eyes.